Hi everyone, welcome back to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. We'll quickly look at Bitcoin. Now, these were the levels that I had last given you, and if you can go back and check that video, we have nailed this price action to the core. You can see how this imaginary lines are working magic. So go back, check my last update video about Bitcoin, and you will know what I'm talking about. Now, looking at the current price action, again, the important levels are still the same. For now, $94,000 region, 94,100, 94,200. That region is most important price on daily. So as long as Bitcoin holds and flips it into support, it will likely look to go higher. But if there is some kind of rejection over here, then again price can come back lower. So the two most important zones right now are 94,200 and 85,000 on the daily time frame. Okay, so I'm not talking about a few hours or even one day. I'm talking about multiple daily closings. As long as we don't get that, this would not be flipped into support. You can see how important this price zone is. Every time when Bitcoin used to come back after going to 100k, 105k, this zone used to provide bounce because there was ample of support over there. So after this huge correction, it's currently back about that similar zone. This can also be a bearish retest of confirming this support into resistance. Hence, this is a very critical zone, and Bitcoin needs to flip 94,200 into support. Okay, that's very important right now for Bitcoin. Now, the interim levels, there are some levels that are important. Let's say after this good upside, if there is some kind of a pullback, then what levels would we like to see hold if we are bullish about Bitcoin? So for bulls, the important level right now in the short term, in my opinion, is this zone at around 89k to 90k region. Okay, if Bitcoin can come back, if it wants to pull back, this is the level which I would like to see it hold and not go below it, and again go for the retest of this zone and eventually go for all-time highs. So a pullback, in a pullback scenario, go back to 88, 89k at the most, and then we should see some kind of a demand. Similarly, the other option can be it can keep chopping around over here and take a good enough time to flip this zone back into support and for keep targeting higher ranges of 99k, 100k, 109k. So if Bitcoin can do something like this where it keeps going higher, comebacks and retest this zone as support, and it wants to push higher, that would again be bullish. So overall, currently Bitcoin is looking good in terms of this was a good upside move, but it's still not out of danger. This can also be a bearish retest. So if Bitcoin bulls want to continue this party, they need to flip this 94 $200 region into support. And in the short term, as long as 89k is holding, the favor would still be towards longing Bitcoin. If 89k is lost, then that would mean that the downside pressure will likely continue. So I hope you find this video valuable. If you are not trading that frequently and you just want to keep eye on important levels, then 94 200 is important right now, and the other important level is around 85k on the daily time frame. You can keep an eye on these two levels if you don't want to trade that much. Thank you so much. Do comment if you want to, if you want me to look into some altcoins, then which ones should I look into? Comment down below. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.